100 plus colors and designs are available on this variety, and the range is only Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So once more time DK Textile has launched a very new variety, which is the sale variety. So you have shop or you have boutique and you want to sell something in the sale, then this kind of variety will be the top trending variety. First look at the designs and color. There are 100 plus colors and designs are available on this variety, and two sizes are available, M to XXL. What are this variety? I am showing you one piece. So this is the cotton kurti. Yes my friend, this is original slub cotton variety. So yeah, you can take guarantee. Which kind of guarantee? Like color guarantee, size guarantee, and no shrinkage guarantee you can take on this kind of variety. Look at the color and design, and the range is only 150 rupees. And the fabric I tell about, look at the finishing, look at the print. This is original mill print variety with color and everything guarantee. So you can sell this kind of variety with more than 300 rupees on your counter. You can earn double margin on this kind of variety because these are guaranteed fabric. You can see there are multiple colors and designs are available here. In two sizes it is available, and it are multicolor combo design. So every bundle you will purchase, you will get the multiple color design on the same pattern. Like this pattern you will get the different color, and the sizes will be two available, XL and XXL. I will showing you some of the design of its available. Look at the beautiful designs my friend. Look at every print will definitely sold out in your counter within minutes, because this kind of variety will be the top selling variety of our DK Textile. Look at this variety I am showing you, and one another fabric which is available in this variety, and the rate is also very genuine, only 150 rupees. So if you also want to sell this kind of variety, then connect with DK Textile, connect with our team, so they will guide you. We have variety starting from rupees 90 only, and this variety is only 150 rupees. Look at the finishing of the variety, look at the fabric, look at the touch and feeling of this cotton fabric. And I tell about, then this print will never gone, because this is the guaranteed fabric with defined print. And look at the beautiful neck design, very simple and sober for office look, for daily wear. This kind of variety will be the top selling variety. Look at the different color and design, and available in this kind of bundle to bundle format. So if you want to purchase this kind of variety, then minimum order is 10,000. You can connect with us. You can see there are lots of many more variety in our surrounding. You can purchase this kind of varieties also. We have variety starting from rupees 90 only. You can take the catalog and start ordering today, because we have large range of collection from 90 to 900. So you will definitely check out what we are selling for your shop or your boutique. Then this is the best selling variety. Look at this beautiful variety. We have multiple range of color and design with all guaranteed size, fabric and colors. As you can see, there are 10 to 20 designs I have put it here, and more than 50 plus designs are also available here. So you can order this kind of variety for your shop and boutique. Our address is, we are located in Surat Ring Road, so you can visit. Also our address is also given on the description, so you can check out and you can visit here. Our shop is located only 1 kilometer distance from the Surat railway station, so you definitely visit. All over world delivery is available. I am not talking about India. We deliver all over world, and also COD is also available for this kind of and many more variety. You should definitely check out the color and designs. I will show you one by one what are the designs. So there are many colors and design, all are XXL and XL format. So you also want to sell this kind of many more sale variety, then definitely go with DK Textile. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, so you will get the regular updates on this kind of many more variety, colors and design. Look at these beautiful prints my friend, how beautiful it looks. I will show you one more piece. So you should definitely check out what kind of variety we will sell. Connect with our salesmen, so they will send you the catalog, and you will get the idea like how to sell multiple range variety in a single counter or a single shop. In a single house you will get different range of variety, this kind of many more variety. These are the top attractive variety with a genuine range of prices. So connect with DK Textile and get regular update on this kind of many more variety. We are giving one by one day regular updates on many more varieties. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, so you will get update on this kind of variety. See you in the next video with a very new variety. So don't forget to subscribe.